If you want to create hundreds of sequential attributes for any business, where the user must select sequential numbers such as theaters, parking spaces, offices, or any other, you would have to create them one by one in WooCommerce, which will be a tedious and time-consuming task. In this video, we'll show you how to create hundreds of sequential attributes in a CSV file in Excel or Google Sheets, and then import it to WooCommerce using the Taxonomy Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin helps you apply changes to hundreds of categories, tags, attributes, and any other taxonomy in WordPress and WooCommerce. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find a link to our written guide. Once the plugin is installed and activated, the attribute to work with must be created in WP Admin. We'll create the attribute seats for this example. Next, we'll open the plugin and click on Edit Product Seats in this case. If you created a different attribute, then you select that one. When the spreadsheet opens, we will have to add a new field and give it the title. This will be the one you want to start the sequence with. Then click Save to apply the change. Now we need to export this spreadsheet to a CSV file to edit it on Excel or Google Sheets. For that, let's open the Export tool. Then let's choose all the columns we want to export. And select the app we'll use to edit the CSV file. Then Export. Once the CSV file has been downloaded to your computer, you need to open it with Excel or import it to Google Sheets. Now, let's create the sequential attributes. Drag the fill handle across the range that you want to fill on the status column. Do the same for the name and the taxonomy columns. Finally, if you're working on Excel, save the changes and close the file. But if you're working on Google Sheets, download the CSV file. The next step is to import the CSV file using the Import tool. Here, select the source from which you will import the CSV file. Then choose the file. And click on Next. Select to import all the columns. Now select this option to create new items. And choose the ID columns. Then hit Next. Finally, click here, and the import process will start. After the files are imported, you'll see that all the sequential attributes have been imported and appear on the spreadsheet. Creating hundreds of sequential attributes for WooCommerce has never been as easy and fast as it is when using the Taxonomy Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to visit our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.